Welcome to it. Welcome back. And today it is Real Madrid versus Paris Saint-Germain. PSG. Real Madrid. Let's see what will happen in this match. Can it be a good one here? What we will witness today. It is round 9. Football 26. Real Madrid in 6. PSG sitting in 13th. Real Madrid's last two performances have been very good. Liverpool red. Liverpool red. Liverpool red. And Man City beating Liverpool red 3-1 and beating Man City 2-1. And Man City was also top of the league table when they faced them, but now they, I think, second or third. You are to Parc de France in France. Here we are underway and already play here. Saved by Courtois. Wide shot goes by Ousmane Dembele. Junior. As Valverde. Counter-attack on for PSG. And a tackle there. And Rudiger gets a yellow card. And that was a beautiful shot, but it's not gone. Thibaut Courtois getting tangled in the net there as he tried to save it. And another wide ball by Ousmane Dembele. Oh, Dembele on the ball now. Valverde. Kvaratskhelia now inside, saved by Thibaut Courtois. And Ruiz, it's gone only far away as Ruiz, saved by Courtois. Counter attack is on here, but it's not. It's only gonna go for a way to got. But now another attack. Pass Marquinhos. Pass to Valverde. Valverde. It's hit the ball. It hits the ball, striking it away. First great chance for Real Madrid. A counter attack is on again for Real Madrid. It's only gonna go away as onto June and Kvaratskhelia and Gula And now it's Dembele. Dembele. The curve came in, but it just gone wide again for Dembele. It's gonna be half time. 1-0 here. Oh, 0-0. Nil. It's taken off to come here. Yeah, it is. It's Mbappe now. Mbappe finds some space to run. He doesn't find. And he finds Valverde. Carvel. And his goal, Valverde. Danny Carvel. Giving it back to Federico Valverde. And Federico Valverde scores a goal. 1-0. Danny Carvel's assist. It's actually Mbappe plus Danny Carvel assist there. Inside that net. 1-0. Now it's Mbappe. Mbappe's still going here. It's still going on. He finds Valverde again. Valverde scores a double. Oh yes, 2-0 it is. Did we do it now? Not all this do it. Valverde finding Mbappe once more. Valverde can't get it away. It's there for Vitinha. And Dembele save at Couture. Corner to come. 2-0. I think it's done for. I think it's over. Bellingham coming on. Back from injury. And Mbappe. Bacho can't do anything. Bacho! Oh no, strikes it off the post. Valverde. Fine. Oh. 2-0's gonna end. Still a good performance. Well, there's one throw left. Bellingham throws it. It's over. Real Madrid win. They have found Valverde 2 times to just declare the winner there. 2-0 at end. Valverde scoring a double. Courtois getting man of the match for all those saves. It was a great performance. But who do they face next week as they top their group? Who do they face next week? They face London Red 2004 Terry Henry is there. And I'll see you guys in the next video.